I've been talking about my chicken tacos a lot lately, everywhere from Z-Max to the Sandblast Rally. We put together a short video to show you how easy they are to make. Super simple, super tasty, Camp Cook Brian's chicken tacos. Chicken tacos always start with chicken. Any kind of chicken will do. We like chicken breasts. Others might like chicken thighs. It's whatever suits your fancy. Cut the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. They'll cook faster and they'll absorb more flavor. 2 medium-sized chicken breasts makes about 8 tacos. Chicken still tastes like chicken, so we'll have to add some flavor. First, a drizzle of oil. I like to use avocado oil when I cook on the Blackstone. It has a high smoke point. But a canola oil will do just fine too. Then we add the salt. For chicken, we like Chef Marito's Pollo seasoning. It colors the chicken a nice yellow. Then we sprinkle on some smoked Spanish paprika. Regular paprika will work in a pinch. This turns the chicken a vibrant orange. Garlic is next, a good teaspoon or so. Then chipotle and adobo sauce. This is our spice element, so put as much or as little as you like. We put about a teaspoon per breast. Next, the liquids. A generous splash of lime juice and a couple squirts of soy sauce for some umami. Mix it all together and let it sit for a few minutes. This mixture can be put into a Ziploc bag and refrigerated overnight, or frozen for whenever you crave chicken tacos. While the chicken marinates, chop up some cilantro and some white onion. You could chop up some lettuce and tomatoes too, but we like using salsa. Did you know lime slices work for both tacos and margaritas? Let's get the Blackstone warmed up. Medium heat. Oil the surface well so the chicken doesn't stick. Dump the mixture onto the hot griddle and spread it around. Get a good sear on one side before flipping and moving again. We want the marinade to be distributed all over the grill. You'll see why in a minute. If you need any more oil, now would be a good time to add it. Flour tortillas go well with chicken tacos. Flavored flour tortillas are even better. Move the chicken to the side to make room for the tortillas. This is why I like cooking on the Blackstone. There's plenty of real estate. Once the tortillas are on the griddle, swirl them to get as much flavor from the sauce. This is the secret technique, almost like a birria taco. After flipping the chicken, wipe the sauce off the spatula onto the tortillas for more flavor. Remember, we're just warming these tortillas up. We want them soft and delicious. So move the chicken to the other side, and when you do this, it spreads some more flavor on the flat top, so the next round of tortillas are just as flavorful as the first. Remember, soft and delicious. Can you see the flavor on those tortillas? The chicken is done. The tortillas look fantastic. It's time to plate them up.